So do you know that most people fail to work out this maths problem? So let me show you how we can work it out within the shortest time possible. Solution. So 4 to the power of k multiplied by 4 to the power of k is equals to 40. So assuming that we have a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n, this one shall be written as a to the power of m plus n with using the exponential rule. So meaning that when you have our 4 to the power of k multiplied by 4 to the power of k, we shall have it as 4 to the power of k plus k. So that now shall be 4 to the power of k plus k is 2k. So 4 to the power of 2k is equals to 40. So the next part now is to introduce the log from both sides. So now we shall have the log of 4 to the power of 2k is equals to the log of 40. So when you have the log of p to the power of m, this one can also be written as m log p. So now we shall now have 2k, the log of 4 is equals to the log of 40. So from here now we shall now have to divide both sides by the log of 4, then also this side also by the log of 4. Log 4 cancels, so 2k is equals to the log of 40 all over the log of 4. So the main rule now is to simplify. So 2k is equals to, when we simplify the log of 40, we can write it as the log of 8 multiplied by 5, then into bracket all over our log of 4. Remember that when you have the log of a multiplied by b, this one we can write it as the log a plus the log of b. So here now we can now say that 2k is equals to, so the log of 8 plus the log of 5, then all of them we shall divide by the log of 4. So next now we shall say that, so next now we shall have 2k is equals to, so we write them independently, log 8, then all over the log of 4, then plus the log of 5, then all over the log of 4. So next is 2k is equals to, so when you factorize log 8, we can have it as the log of 2 to the power of 3, meaning that 8 can also be written as 2 multiplied by 2, which is 4. 4 multiplied by 2 is 8, so it is 2 to the power of 3. Then all over, so log 4 can also be written as the log of 2 to the power of 2, then plus log 5, then all over the log of 2 to the power of 2. So 2k is equals to, so this one is 3 now, log 2, then all over 2, the log of 2, then plus log 5, then all over 2, the log of 2. So here now we shall now cancel the ones that are similar. So 2k is equals to, so log 2 and log 2 is similar, so is equals to 3 over 2, then plus, so here now we shall have 1 over 2, the log of 5 all over the log of 2. So remember that when you have the log of a all over the log of b, we can write it as the log of a to the base of b. So taking that into consideration, so 2k shall be 3 over 2 plus 1 over 2, the log of 5 to the base of 2. So because we want to find the value for k, we can now have to divide both sides by 2, so that now we get the value for k. So here by 2, then all of these now shall divide by 2. So 2 by 2 shall cancel, so now our k is equals to, so here when we have it, here now we shall remain with 3, or 3, it is like having 3 over 2 multiplied by 2. So here now we shall have 3, add 2, so here now we shall have the log of 5 to the base of 2. So now finally our value for k, so our value for k is equals to 3 plus the log of 5 to the base of 2, then all over 2. So this one now shall be qualified to be almost correct and the best answer. So if you really loved how we worked out this maths problem, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.